One of the most asked questions is, does boom and crash respect stop loss? So I've answered this question multiple times, but today I have decided not to explain but to show you if it does respect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a trade and I'm going to add my stop loss, and we're going to see if the stop loss is going to work. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this indicator, the one which is showing buy and sell arrows, which is Deriv Reaper. Okay, it's the best indicator, you can check it out, the link is in the description. So I'm going to delete it off the chart. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a 1 minute time frame so that I don't have to wait longer, and I'm going to go here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to enter a trade. So this is boom 1000 and we buy to cut spikes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a trade against spikes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell, okay, with a lot size of 0.2. okay, so I've just sold. So what I'm going to do is I am going to, okay, add a stop loss just above the first candle. So as you can see, I've added the stop loss, okay, and the stop loss I'm going to lose about $0.36. okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to wait for a spike, okay, and we're going to see if I am going to lose the same 0.3. okay, so we're going to see if I'm going to lose the same 0.36 or to be much higher. So I'm going to pause this video and give it some time. Okay, so as you can see, I'd put the stop loss just above the first candle and I was supposed to lose $0.36. So let us check the trade if I really lost 0.3 or it's something higher. So let me just pull up this. Okay, so when I go to my history, here is the trade I entered, which was boom 1000 selling with a lot size of 0.2. okay, and I've made a loss of about negative 2.54. but as you saw earlier on, I was supposed to lose 0.36, but I've ended up losing this amount. So this should clearly explain to you that stop loss does not really work as you should expect it to work on boom and crash. So to summarize, the answer is no, boom and crash does not respect stop loss. So instead of losing something you'd like to lose, you may end up losing even triple or 4 times what you're supposed to lose. So that is why people fear trading against spikes when it comes to boom and crash. But if you can download the Reaper the indicator, you can be able to trade against spikes profitably. So the link where you can buy it is in the description. Okay, so there's another index which does not respect stop loss. I think it's called range break. Okay, so there's range break 100 and range break 200. So let me just add it to the chart. Okay, so this is range break. Okay, yeah, it is very volatile, and these pullbacks sometimes they do not work. When it comes to stop loss, it does not work. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now, and thank you for the 19,000 subscribers. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe to be among the first 20,000 subscribers.